Hi guys, so you should have this kind of setup. You might need a tripod or something if you're using a mobile phone, something like this. Here's a little stand, device stand. I've got my items here on my table. Some extra things I could probably use. And so I have my tablet or my mobile phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tablet, I'll put it on the stand here, and then I want to go to the app. So let's go to the app. So the app should be Stop Motion Studio. Should be the blue one if you it's the free version. The other version is kind of paid for. You have to pay for it. So when you open up the app, it will look something like this. There's my Batman over there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to create a new movie. Now you've noticed there's an icon here to buy stuff. We don't need to buy anything. We can do this completely free. So you're going to go to click on a new movie. The difference is certain features with the buy stuff means you can add images and stuff like that. So here's the image that I have, okay, that I want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and take my item, kind of place it outside of the camera. And then you can see it from here. So it's very straightforward. All you need to do, and it's the same on both Android and Apple, once you create a new movie, you just have a shutter button, which is this red button right here, and this is to play it. So the way stop motion works is that, so you can see the image of the vehicle over here. I've taken it off. So you take one snapshot, and then you move the vehicle just a little bit. Do the same. I keep moving it. So what you do is every time after you take a photo, you just kind of move it a little bit more. And at any time, if you want to, you can check and see what you've done by just pressing this button here that says play. Okay. So then you go back to the recording. Go back to the last frame. You can slide here at the bottom to go back to the last frame. Now I accidentally moved my camera, so I'm just probably going to stop at 12 frames here. So because I moved the tablet, so it's now changed its camera angle. So I'm not going to continue. So we're going to go back. I'm going to finish it with just 12 frames. So if I watched it again real quick, there's your short animation. Now what I'm going to do is click on this arrow here, goes back, and then you can rename this if you want to. You can rename it. I'm just going to leave it My First Movie, but you can rename it to anything you want. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on Select. Okay, so you click on Select here, and then you pick your movie choice. So this is the movie choice, and then you click on this. It looks like a little open area here, like a triangle on its side or something. So it clicks on Share, and then Export Movie, and then it's going to ask you where you want to save it to. This is an Android device, so I'm going to just save as. And then it's going to get the movie prepared, and it's asking me where do I want to save it to, so I'm going to save it to my file. And then at the bottom here is the name of my movie, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on Save. And it says file was saved successfully. So now all I need to do is go to where I saved it, and I can upload it to Padlet from there. Okay? There you go.